continent.
Countries. Use the stylus to touch the globe and learn about the world Japan. Japan is located off the east coast of Asia. This country consists of 4 large islands and more than 6. Germany. Germany is a country in North.
Animals. Use the stylus to touch the globe and learn about animals of the world. Native to the northern part of the Indian subcontinent. The gharial, also called the fish-eating moose, is found in the snowy forests of North America, Europe, and its pandas live in bamboo forests in China. There are fewer than geology. Use the stylus to touch the purple geology icons on the globe, or other features such as rivers and mountains to learn more about them. Indus River. The Indus is one of the longest rivers in the world, and is one of the 7 sacred white deserts. The white desert in Egypt is white.
Welcome to the Magic Adventures Globe.
You'll need to use the stylus to play with this globe. The stylus works best when tapped straight against the globe, not at an angle. Tap the buttons around.
Countries. Use the stylus to touch the globe and learn about the world's country. Algeria. Algeria is the largest country on the African continent and is located on the North Chad. Chad is a landlocked state in North Central Africa. And learn about the world's countries.
Animals. Use the stylus. Geology. Use the landmarks. Use the
Capitals. Use the stylus to languages. Use the flags. Use the currency. Size.
mix it up. Continents.
Countries.
Animals.
The Amazing World Quiz Show. How many players are playing? Using the
Mix it up. Continent.
country,
Animal. Landmark.
capital, language, and flags. Use the stylus to touch the globe and learn about each country's flag. China. This is the flag of China.
Ok, ya lo voy a llevar a mi cuarto.
The Atlantic Ocean.
Lo voy a llevar a mi
Largest
cuarto.
ocean on Earth after the Pacific Ocean.
Mexico. This is the flag of Mexico. Brazil. This is
Oh,
the
¿te gusta el
flag
mío?
of Brazil.
¿Te gusta el mío?
Hey, I was so excited to receive my Magic Adventures globe for my granddaughter's Christmas gift. I opened the box and it's in a brown box. In the reviews, it was just beautiful packaging. So what happened to my packaging? Why are they sending a new product in a cardboard brown box? What excitement is that to open a gift for Christmas Day and it's a brown cardboard box? None of the graphics or anything that I saw when other people were opening theirs. So hopefully they get this straightened out because, you know, this is very disappointing.
Palestinians consider East Jerusalem to be the Palestinian capital. At present, the Palestinian Presidential Palace and other government departments are located in Ramallah. Eastern edge of the Mediterranean Sea within the region known as the Middle East. The country was founded in 1948 and was the first homeland for the Jewish people in nearly 2,000 years.
Israel may be the most religiously complicated country on earth. All three of the major Western religions claim Israel, and particularly Jerusalem, as valuable to their heritage.
The Palestinian territories, including the West Bank and the Gaza Strip, are territories occupied by Israel since 1967.
5 feet tall and is completely clad in cut marble.
Founded in 1948 and was the first homeland for the Jewish people in nearly 2,000 years. Israel may be the most religiously complicated country on earth. All three of the major Western religions claim Israel, and particularly Jerusalem, as valuable to their heritage.
The Palestinian territories, including the West Bank and the Gaza Strip, are territories occupied by Israel since 1967. To play adventure pack games.
No, I'm so cool. I'm cool.
Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan is a country situated in the heart of Central Asia. Rich in history and cultural tradition, this country borders Kazakhstan, China, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. Kyrgyzstan has a rich oral